Do you feel like your paycheck disappears the moment it lands and you're sitting there like, who robbed me? Spoiler, it was you. And it happened one drive-through and one impulse buy at a time. My name is Vladimir Nemchinov. I went from 0 to 600,000 in 11 years, mostly through real estate. Now I help people build real wealth by getting serious about budgeting, investing, and retirement. This is the wealth game, and budgeting is level 1. Let's fix your money before it disappears again. Most people think a raise will fix their problems. More income, more freedom, right? Wrong, because without a budget, more income just means more stuff. You spend more, eat out more, and somehow still have nothing left. This is why high earners can be just as broke as everyone else. Let me show you how to flip that. First, we need to talk about financial priorities. Because if you don't choose your priorities, TikTok and DoorDash will do it for you. At the top of the list, housing, food, transportation, utilities. These are non-negotiable. List out what these actually cost you each month, not what you think they cost. You'll be surprised. A quick grocery run isn't $30 if you buy 3 frozen pizzas, a scented candle, and walk out with a rotisserie chicken you forgot you already had at home. Next, minimum debt payments. Keep the collectors off your back, then you can get to savings goals and lifestyle spending. Here's a simple framework, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30 to wants, and 20 to savings or debt payoff. Can't hit those targets yet? No problem. Adjust your percentages, but at least you're starting from a plan instead of guessing every month. Here's where most people mess it up. They don't track anything. They assume they're doing okay because their card still swipes until it doesn't. You need a weekly money check-in. Sit down for 15 minutes, open your accounts, and see exactly what's going on. You wouldn't drive a car with no gas gauge, right? Then stop running your life that way. Still feeling like there's not enough to go around? Here's the reality. You can't out-earn bad habits. You can make $5,000 per month and feel broke if you're leaking $500 a month on random junk. So plug the holes. Cut what you don't need. Delay what you want. Reward yourself when you stick to the plan, but only after the bills are paid and the savings is set. Now, let's make this practical. Go print a calendar. Yes, a paper calendar. Or use one in your phone. Write your paydays on it. Then write your bill, due dates, match your income to your obligations. If you're short, you need to shift bills, negotiate due dates, or cut somewhere. This is how adults stop living in chaos. No more surprises, just control. And control, it feels better than a $400 toy you forgot about 2 weeks later. Look, budgeting isn't sexy, but you know what is? Sleeping peacefully because you know your lights will stay on and your rent is paid. That's real freedom. If this still feels overwhelming, you don't have to figure it all out alone. Fill out the assessment form. The link is in the description below. I'll help you get started, create a custom plan, and help you make your money finally make sense. This is level 1. Don't skip it. Win the budget. Win the wealth game.